This morning, we started out with a thick haze in the area once again and smoke in the atmosphere as seen here by the sunrise off to the east. This was just after 7 o'clock this morning. There's that red hue. You can see that filtered veil of sun rose. We got that orange again, but those north winds really picked up throughout the day. You can actually watch it sweep through the atmosphere and clean things out. Up above here, we had some blue in the sky, but not very much, indicating still that pall in the atmosphere. But it didn't take long. In the 8 o'clock hour, that wind really picked up. The clouds zipped through, and we swept away that gray from the atmosphere for today. It's cool, and it was definitely a bit breezy, but now 44 degrees. Woo, it's chilly out there. 38 the dew point. Temperatures can snuggle down next to those dew points on calm and clear nights, and we have both as the wind is dying down tonight. 39 Thief River Falls, Roseau 37, Baudette 38, and it's 37 in Bemidji. So where you see the blues, 30s already. This will be the area that we have the best chance at seeing some freezing conditions, holding on to mid-40s for many of the rest of us this evening. Here is a look at what is going on with Sally as we take a look at flash flood warnings almost everywhere. Panama City all the way through portions of the west coast of Florida, the panhandle of Florida, 18 to 24 inches estimated by radar across anywhere you see this fancy green color here. And it's still a very slow mover. That slow motion, one of the problems with the rainfall amounts. The wind, still nothing to bark at, 45-mile-per-hour gusts with the system, as it's now a tropical depression, weakening from tropical storm category thanks to a continued decrease in winds. Overnight, here's where the best chance of freezing is. It's highlighted in purple. That's where the freeze warning is in effect. The blue counties, frost advisory. Our model continues to paint a chance of some clouds developing overnight. If this happens, they radiate warmth and will keep some of our western counties from seeing temperatures so cold. I think that'll be the case out to the far west. I'm not convinced we're going to see this cloud cover here in the northern valley. And because of that, I think we'll have some more widespread freezing conditions in the north. We'll even briefly dip into the 30s here in the FM area. First half of our day, we start low with 30s and low 40s across the region. The clouds build in. That'll kind of cut off any heating, and we'll have that slow projection of temperatures through the midday and into your afternoon. Pausing this on your drive home or getting off of school, we'll see some showers developing along a warm front. Here's the edge of the warm front. Warm air to the west, rising over the top of the cool pool of air. That creates those clouds, and these showers will continue to persist late in the day, generally dinner time and after, and mainly north of Interstate 94. I cannot rule out a sprinkle in the evening here in Fargo on your Thursday night, so have that umbrella handy as you're heading out to mow the lawn. Here's a look at your forecast. 36 degrees to start your day. And warming up into the 50s as we have acting going on in the studio right now. We peak at 60 briefly out there. Then those clouds build in, and that's when you need the umbrella. Chances are we'll see a chance of a sprinkle here in Fargo, but a better chance up north. Your hometown forecast shows a day like today. Temperatures in the northern counties low to mid 50s will be near 60 for most of our southern counties, and near the South Dakota border in Brown County, a shot at near 70 there. Fall colors making a return to the valley. Thanks so much, Annette, for a gorgeous shot. Look at all the yellows along that river's edge. Here's a look. Not much improvement on Friday, 63 degrees, but no rain in the forecast till we get to Sunday. Look at the weekend. Beautiful weather. Warmer next week as we begin that equinox taking place. And a little bit of bonus coverage for you right here, right now. When does the smoke return? Let's talk about it. As we go through the weekend, well, it looks like it returns on Saturday with some thicker smoke making its way in. Then it kind of oscillates around into Monday as another wave makes its way in. So that's the way things are looking, Andrea. And I don't know if you carry an umbrella while you're mowing the lawn, but by the judging, the acting in the studio, maybe some have had practice doing that.
We have a master thespian in the studio. I think you know who it is. Yeah, thanks, Sedge.